In the present video, Work, Power and Energy Part 5, we will be studying about energy, various types of energy, kinetic energy and expression for the same. Energy is defined as measure of ability of a body to do work. Now, since energy by definition just gives us how much work a body can do, it is a scalar like work and its units are same as that of work. That is, SI unit of energy is joule, and dimensionally also energy being equal to capability to do work is mL square T minus 2. In nature, the energy manifests itself in various forms like heat, light, sound, mechanical. The term mechanical is used for kinetic and potential energies. There are various other forms of energy: wind energy, hydel energy, atomic energy, nuclear energy, etc. Now here we will be deriving expression for kinetic energy. The kinetic energy, as we have studied earlier in lower classes, is energy contained in a body by virtue of its motion. Examples of kinetic energy are: wind can drive a mill because it has air molecules in motion, and due to their motion they possess kinetic energy. Water in motion has kinetic energy and is used to drive water wheel. Similarly, a bullet fired from gun is given a very high velocity and possesses kinetic energy capable of piercing a target. The expression for kinetic energy can be derived in two ways. Either we can take a body in motion and measure the work which it will do as it comes to rest, or we can take a body initially at rest and then bring it to a velocity v. The work done will be imparted to the body as kinetic energy. For the expression here, let's take a body at rest, a body of mass m at rest, that is, initial velocity of the body is 0. Suppose a constant force applied on the body produces an acceleration a and displacing it through s. Let v be the velocity acquired by the body due to the action of the force. We have work equal to F dot S. Since initially the body was at rest, it will acquire acceleration and velocity in the direction of the force. So F dot S will be Fs cos theta or cos 0, which is 1. Therefore, work is F into S equal to MAS, where F is MA by second law of motion. We can rewrite this as M into AS. Also, by equation of motion, we have V square minus U square equal to 2AS. For the body under consideration, initial velocity is 0 because the body was at rest. So U is 0. We get V square is equal to 2AS, or AS equal to V square by 2. Therefore, from this equation, we get W is equal to M, and substituting for A into S from here, we get mv square by 2, or half mv square. This work done is stored in the body as kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is half mv square. The expression for kinetic energy may also be obtained using calculus method. For the purpose, let's consider a body of mass m at rest. if the body is subjected to a force F which produces a small displacement ds in direction of the force, the work done will be given by F dot ds or F ds, because cos theta will be cos 0 or 1. Using second law, we can write it as ma ds, because F is mass into acceleration. Acceleration can further be written as time derivative of velocity dv by dt, or rearranging you can write m ds by dt into dv. Now ds by dt is velocity, therefore dw comes out to be mv dv. Total work done to change the velocity from 0 to v is given by w equal to integral dw, or m is constant, integral v dv, which is m into v square by 2. Subjecting to limits 0 to v, we get the expression as half mv square. Since this work done changes the state of the body from rest to the one having velocity v, it is a measure of kinetic energy, or kinetic energy is given by half mv square. Remember, kinetic energy K is proportional to mass and proportional to v square. It is always positive because all three terms half, m and v square are positive. The relation holds both for variable force as well as steady force. And the kinetic energy of a body depends on frame of reference. To illustrate this fourth point, you can take a body in a moving bus. With respect to the bus, the velocity is 0, therefore the kinetic energy is 0. However, for an external frame, that is a frame outside the bus, the body is moving and therefore kinetic energy is not equal to 0.